bring the generator.
Generator, heater.
Yeah.
We take shower inside.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night. Tonight. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Just take my hand and we can run like tigers underneath the sun. The moon is old, the night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, come let your soul and mind ignite. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Light up the sky. Let's light it up. Come on, light it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, now we're together. Now we're together. Light it up, light it up, light it up. Let's light up the sky. Light, 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 light up the sky. Light, 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 light up the sky. Light, 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 light up the sky. Let's light up the sky.
Ang so baka para maplastar siya.
I think you have like a small too, right?
This one.
Huh? Yeah, give me. This one for inside. For help.
So mga kois, luto na tayo.
Ano pangalan?
Kois.
You need oil, tell me, okay?
Yeah. You put the on full.
Mamaya mo na yun, ma.
Ha?
Tanggalan mo yun.
Sige.
Kasi asin na ito.
Ay, hindi. Mamaya.
Hindi, nagugas ako kanina. Kasi paminta. Sama mo paminta.
Oo, meron. Wala kang dalang bitsin.
Dito ko yung bitchin.
Hindi, wala kang dalang pampasarap.
Magic sarap, meron din.
O yun, pwede na yun. Saan?
Yung sinama ko sa may ano. Nilagyan mo ng tasa.
Ito. Ito kasi masisira. Ano, kailangan natin lutuin kasi masisira. Sayang.
Kois, magic sarap kois. Gandaan na.
Ito ng basura na.
Kasi mantika.
Okay, here's the oil.
Ayun pala.
The trash is here.
May panghalo ba tayo?
Oh, mayroon. May dala kaya ako ng kamay.
Meron
Oh,
yung
ito.
gusto. Meron pang isa yun.
Oh. Pero yun maganda paghalo para hindi kas-kastasin yung
May paper towel dun sa ano ko bag.
sa bag mo.
Sa kabilang pinto. Ako nag-marinate guys. Sa pinakamalaki, sa loob.
Yun, separate.
Yan, ganyan separate.
How about this one?
Ha?
How about that?
That's for the soup.
Done?
Yeah, just a little more time.
The beef, this one, that is for you. Or bring it.
Okay, sinigang isda ng inasal, and then this one. Alright, Corona, unang inom. Hey, wasakan mamaya. Goggles, tablet, my favorite Voodoo Ranger. Let's go. Sarap. Food trip malalang bata, oh. Dang, mang inasal. Dang, prito. Dang. Dang. All goods na. So yung next video ko is paumaga na. So hindi ako nakapag-record kasi lobat na yung camera ko, and then walang signal, and then yung cellphone ko wala na rin, mahina na rin signal. So sa next video ko is diretso pa umaga na tayo kasi nung gabing yun binaharing kami. So eto na ang next.
Yeah, it's okay. If you're tired, Rio is si Kim nagtago. Tinan mo, be. Inside.
So nung pagkagising namin, naghanda lang kami, tapos napag-desisyon na namin na pumunta kami ng Grand Canyon. So eto, onting biyahe, onting video. Pakinggan nyo na lang. Let's go! So eto na kami, pinark lang namin yung sasakyan, tapos sumakay kami ng bus kasi kailangan din naman kasi sumakay ng bus para mapunta yung pinaka main spot, yung tinatawag nila na Grand Canyon Parks. So eto, panoorin nyo ulit.
Stars are out, let's wish on them bright. Hold on tight, make the most of tonight. In every twist, in every turn, there's no end to what we learn. Feel the beat, it's in my bones. Let it guide me, see where it goes. Life's too short to sit and hide. Get out there, let's enjoy the ride.
So eto na, touchdown na kami. Panoorin nyo na lang yung mga video. So lalagyan ko ng konting background song para kahit papano man lang ganahan kayo manood. Alright, let's go!
Stars are out, let's wish on them bright. Hold on tight, make the most of tonight. In every twist, in every turn, there's no end to what we learn. Feel the beat, it's in my bones. Let it guide me, see where it goes. Life's too short to sit and hide. Get out there, let's enjoy the ride.
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Andi, ayun pala, oh.
Oo nga.
Ayun sa baba, oh.
Ayun na nga, ikaw lang.
Tara na!
Ay, di, ayoko. Dito ako magantay. Takot ako dyan. Ay, sumama ka, mga babae ngayon.
Holy cow.
No, I miss the hair.
Okay, good luck. It's bit way because you have like a river.
Yeah.
Native plant garden. Saan kaya ito?